Hey guys, welcome back. So this is me just doing a gel polish on top of acrylic that I've already sculpted out. I didn't keep the sculpting part in because this video would have been long if I did. So this is basically just to show you me doing a little bit of art. Now this set of nails is for a burlesque chair dancer, and she actually had a show and wanted me to paint the dance group that she's in's logo onto her nails. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going in and applying my gel polish, and I'm using Shinty's gel polish to do this. So this is Snow White that I'm using. I might forget some of the names of the pinks that I'm using, but I will put it in the description below for you. So I'm just going to let you watch. I do work on both hands at the same time because I've got two different lamps, so I'm just switching the hand in between both lamps as I'm working. So I have also cut out all the bits with the parts with the lamp being on, just to reduce the time of the video, just in case you're thinking that these aren't getting through properly. They actually are. But as I say, I've just cut out all those bits that are waiting and there's nothing being done. I don't want to bore you. So once I've applied all the first coat and they're all cured, I do go in with my second coat. Now you will notice that I've not done the thumbs. I do leave thumbs till last so that there's less chance of my clients knocking their hands when they're putting them into the lamp. So now I'll go in and do the thumbs, and they'll get two coats as well. And then once the two coats have been cured properly, I will come in and apply my top coat to all of the nails. So once that's done, I'm going to come in and just buff off some of the shine on the two white nails, like on the middle fingers of each hand. So just say sorry, it's quite late at night and I'm doing this voiceover. And then I remove the dust before coming in and painting on that logo, and it's a little cat. So to do that, I'm just using some gel paints. I'm using the black Artisan gel paints to paint this cat on, and a fine liner brush. So once that's done, I'll pop it in the lamp to cure, and then I'll do the same on the opposite hand. Now I did write on the hand Boudoir Kittens, which is the group's name, but I done that with a Sharpie pen, and I never filmed it because I did try to do it with the gel paints, but I kept buggering it up, so just being honest, I just came in and used a Sharpie pen just to write the Boudoir Kittens on, and then allowed it to dry a little, and then went in with my top coat. Now when I done my top coat, I did float it over the top because I didn't want to make the ink spread all over the nail, and then that was the nails complete.